Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Ashley, yesterday I paid my credit card bill. My groceries cost me $600. 600.
600? Just for food?
Yeah, only for food. Can you believe it?
That's a lot. I spent about 300 last month.
Wait, 300? Half of mine? Are you serious?
Yes, really. 300.
So you're telling me we both eat every day, but you spend half the money?
Exactly.
How? Do you eat less or skip meals?
No, I eat normal. The difference is I plan before I shop.
Plan for groceries? Come on, Ashley. It's just buying food.
Well, that's what you think, but if you shop without a plan, you always spend more.
So you mean I'm throwing away money every month?
Not throwing away, but not saving either.
Okay, then tell me, what do you do that I don't?
Let's start simple. Do you even check the flyer before shopping?
Flyer. What's a flyer? I still don't get it, Ashley. How can you spend half of what I spend?
Here, this is step 1.
What's that? Just junk mail?
Not junk. This is a flyer. Every week, the supermarket sends it to your mailbox. See? Pictures, prices, discounts.
Flyer. So it's like an advertisement.
Yes, but very useful. It shows what is on sale.
Oh, I get it. Everything is for sale.
Careful. For sale just means available. Like, this car is for sale. But on sale means cheaper, special price.
Oh, so on sale is discount. For sale is just normal.
Exactly.
But wait, I get many flyers. Walmart, Costco, Save On. What do you do with all of them?
That's when you compare.
Compare.
Compare means look at two prices side by side. Chicken here is $10. Chicken there is $7. You compare and choose the cheaper one.
So compare is like making two prices fight, and the winner goes into my basket.
Exactly.
Okay, let me check. Flyer comes in the mailbox. On sale means discount. For sale means normal. And compare means choose the better price.
Perfect. That's why my bill is 300, not 6.
Ashley, I know how to save money. We just go to every store. Cheap chicken here, cheap milk there, cheap rice in another place. We buy everything cheap.
Sounds smart, Tom, but it's not a good idea.
Why not? Cheap is good, right?
Not always. Think about gas and time.
Gas and time? But the chicken is cheaper.
Yes, chicken is cheaper, But if you drive to 3 different stores, you spend more gas. Gas is money. And you also spend more time.
So, cheaper chicken, but more gas means more money.
Exactly. You save $2 on chicken, but you spend $5 on gas.
Oh, that's not saving. That's losing.
Right. You must look at the overall cost.
Overall cost?
Yes, it means the total, not just the chicken. Gas, time, chicken, all money together. That is the overall cost.
Okay. Overall cost, gas, time, chicken, all money together.
Perfect. Now you understand. That's smart shopping.
Hey, Ashley, look at this sign. It says regular price $5.99, member price $3.99. What does that mean?
It means if you are a store member, you pay the lower price.
Member? Like pay money to join?
No. Membership is free. You just sign up. Sometimes you use a little plastic card. Sometimes you just give your phone number.
Wait, so the same bread is $5.99 for me, but $3.99 for you?
Exactly.
Oh no, that hurts. So regular price is the normal price and member price is the special price?
Perfect. That's the idea.
Let me confirm. If I join, it's free. Then I pay $3.99, not $5.99.
Exactly.
Okay, from now on, I always want the member price.
Good. That's step 2 of smart shopping.
Wow, look at this salad box. It looks healthy. I want this one.
That salad box is $7. But if you buy lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers, the same salad is only $3.
Really? Same salad, but more than double the price?
Yes, because this salad is ready to eat. That is called convenience.
Convenience? What is convenience?
Convenience means easy for you. No work. You open the box and you eat. That is convenience.
Convenience. Easy for me.
Exactly. But convenience costs money.
Costs money? Oh, so I pay extra because someone cut the vegetables for me.
Perfect.
Then what is the other word you said? Raw?
Raw means not cooked, not prepared. For example, raw lettuce, raw tomato, raw cucumber. You wash them, you cut them, and then you make the salad yourself.
Okay. Raw means natural, not ready.
Yes, Raw is cheaper. Ready food is more expensive.
Okay, convenience is easy but costs money. Raw is natural and cheaper.
Perfect summary, Tom. That's smart shopping.
Hey, Ashley, why is this bread so cheap? It's only $1.
That's the clearance shelf.
Clearance? What is clearance?
Clearance means the store wants to sell it quickly. The date is very close.
The label says best before June 10. Does that mean it is expired?
No. Best before is not the same as expired.
Not the same?
Expired means not safe to eat. Best before means the best quality before that date. After the date, it is still safe, but maybe less fresh.
So, best before is okay.
Yes, if you eat it today or tomorrow, it's a good deal.
Okay, let me check. Best before means safe, but maybe not fresh. Expired means not safe.
Perfect. That's why clearance items are cheaper.
Now I know. Cheap bread, dinner tonight.
That's smart shopping, Tom.
Okay, time to pay.
Beep.
Wait, what did you just do?
I scanned my points card.
Points card? But I thought that was the member card.
It's the same card. One card for member price and for reward points.
So the card gives you cheaper prices and also points?
Exactly.
What? So every time you shop, you get points for free?
Yes, free points every time.
And then what do you do with the points?
You redeem them. Redeem means use them like money.
Redeem. So I can pay less with points?
Perfect.
Oh no, I never used a card. I always paid full price.
Don't worry, Tom. Next time, get the card.
One card, member price, and points. Earn when I shop, redeem when I pay.
Exactly. That's smart shopping.
Okay, finally we are done. At least now I understand flyers, member price, and points.
Okay, not done yet. I also used this card.
What card? Another member card?
No, this is my credit card. It gives me cash back.
Cash back. What is cash back?
Cash back means the bank gives me money back after I pay. For example, 2% of my groceries.
Wait, so you pay, but then you get money back?
Exactly.
Oh no. So you save with flyer, you save with member price, you save with points, and you even save again with cash back?
Yes. Save now, save later.
Okay, You win. From now on, you are my shopping teacher.
Deal. Lesson complete.
Ashley, today I learned so much.
Really? Tell me, what did you learn?
Okay, let me try. First, check the flyer. Then, use the member price. Don't drive to too many stores because gas and time are also a cost. Buy raw food, not always ready food. Look at the clearance shelf and check the best before date. Use reward points when you pay. And finally, cash back.
Perfect. That's the full list.
No wonder you only spend $300 and I spend $600.
Now you can spend $300 too.
Deal. From now on, I shop like Ashley.
And if you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.